Welcome to Review Rumble. The Best Eco Dryer Balls is probably one of the most surprisingly effective and environmentally friendly additions you can make to your laundry routine, transforming the way you dry clothes by naturally softening fabrics, reducing static, and significantly cutting down drying time, all while being a reusable alternative to single-use dryer sheets and chemical fabric softeners, making laundry day both greener and more efficient. Number 5. Handy Laundry Wool Dryer Balls, Pack of 6. Crafted from 100% New Zealand premium wool, these balls contain no synthetic fillers. They are extra large and felted, ensuring a natural and long-lasting product for your laundry needs. Say goodbye to chemically infused dryer sheets and liquid softeners. These offer a natural, eco-friendly alternative that will last for over 1,000 dryer loads. As they tumble, they lift and separate your laundry, allowing hot air to circulate more efficiently. This means your clothes dry significantly faster. By shortening drying time by up to 25%, they help reduce appliance usage. This translates directly into lower electricity bills and energy savings for your home. Toss them in, and your clothing will emerge faster, fluffier, and noticeably softer. You'll also enjoy fewer wrinkles and significantly less static cling. What we like? These are crafted from superior quality wool for lasting performance. They offer a natural way to soften fabrics and reduce static. If you are looking for a highly durable, all-in-one solution that will last over 1,000 loads, this pack is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to generate a valid response. Number 4. Smart Sheep XL Wool Dryer Balls 6-pack. Discover a natural way to soften your laundry. These premium wool dryer balls are designed to revolutionize your drying experience. Made from 100% natural wool, they are an eco-friendly alternative. Their XL size ensures maximum efficiency with every load. Trusted by many, this award-winning product delivers exceptional results. You'll notice the difference in your clothes' softness. Forget chemical-laden dryer sheets. These balls naturally reduce static and wrinkles, making your laundry routine simpler and greener. Each pack contains 6 durable balls, providing long-lasting use. Simply toss them in with your wet clothes and let them work their magic. What we like? This 6-pack has received multiple awards for its premium quality. They naturally soften laundry and reduce drying time effectively. If you are looking for a proven, award-winning option for typical family loads, these are highly recommended. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source data. Unable to extract helpful points as the source was empty. Number 3. Ecoigy Wool Dryer Balls XL 6-pack. Discover a natural way to soften your laundry. These are an eco-friendly alternative to traditional softeners, making your clothes feel great. Crafted from 100% pure New Zealand wool, they are designed for durability and effectiveness. You can trust their quality for every load. Say goodbye to long drying cycles and stubborn wrinkles. They naturally separate clothes, allowing air to circulate more efficiently and reducing static. Want a fresh, natural scent for your laundry? Simply add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to them. Your clothes will smell amazing. Ditch disposable dryer sheets forever. These are a sustainable and reusable option that lasts for hundreds of loads, saving you money and reducing waste. What we like? These are made from pure New Zealand wool, perfect for infusing your laundry with natural scents. They effectively reduce wrinkles and speed up drying. If you like adding essential oils to your laundry for a custom fragrance, this option is perfectly designed for you. What people say. Number 2. Smart Sheep XL Wool Dryer Balls. Discover a natural way to soften your laundry. These premium wool dryer balls are an eco-friendly alternative to traditional fabric softeners. Made from 100% natural wool, they gently tumble with your clothes, leaving them feeling soft and fresh. You'll love the difference they make. No more chemical-laden dryer sheets. These award-winning balls effectively reduce static and wrinkles, simplifying your laundry routine. This convenient 3-pack of extra-large balls works efficiently in any load. They help to speed up drying time, saving you energy. Trusted by many, they've earned accolades for their superior performance. Experience the quality that makes them a favorite for smarter laundry. Reusable for hundreds of loads, they are a sustainable choice for your home. Reduce waste and embrace a greener way to do laundry. What we like. This 3-pack offers the same award-winning quality in a more compact quantity. They are ideal for smaller laundry loads or individuals. If you have lighter laundry needs or want to try them out before committing to a larger set, this pack is a great starting point. What people say. Number 1. Smart Sheep 8-pack XL Wool Dryer Balls. Discover the Smart Sheep XL Wool Dryer Balls, recognized by top media outlets and a winner of the 2019 Best of the Best Product Awards. These premium natural fabric softeners are trusted by many. Embrace an eco-conscious lifestyle with these reusable dryer balls. They last for over 1,000 loads, replacing disposable dryer sheets and liquid softeners, significantly reducing waste. Experience faster drying times and save on your energy bills. Using just a few of them per load can significantly cut down on the time your laundry spends in the dryer. Achieve naturally soft laundry without harsh chemicals or synthetics. They are perfect for sensitive skin, babies, and anyone seeking a gentle, natural fabric softening solution. Each set includes 6 original Smart Sheep 100% premium New Zealand wool balls. They are ethically felted in Nepal, supporting women and minorities with strong living wages. Looking for a practical and thoughtful present? These make an excellent gift or stocking stuffer, offering a sustainable and effective way to care for clothes. What we like. This generous 8-pack is recognized by major media outlets for its exceptional performance. They are produced ethically, supporting women and minorities. If you have a large household or prioritize products with a strong social impact, this extensive set is your ideal match. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.